How to fry perfectly crispy plantain chips / 5 expert tips. Hello everyone, welcome back to BT Culinary Academy. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 important things you must know before frying your plantain chips. If you want them crispy, golden and crunchy, let's get right into it. 1. Use a good quality vegetable oil. Yes, always ensure you go for a good brand of vegetable oil. The quality of your vegetable oil affects the taste, the color and crunchiness of your plantain chips. 2. Preheat your oil. Never add plantain into cold oil. Make sure your oil is properly preheated before adding your plantain for frying. This helps the chips fry evenly and prevent sogginess. 3. Wash before peeling. Wash plantain before peeling to remove dirt from the surface. After peeling, you can slice into a bowl or slice directly into the preheated oil depending on your preference. 4. Fry on medium heat. Do not fry on high heat. Medium heat allows the plantain chips to cook properly without burning. 5. Fry until crispy. Make sure you fry until the chips are properly golden and crispy before removing them from the oil. Remember, they will become even crunchier after cooling down. And that's it for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to BT Culinary Academy for more professional culinary tips. See you in my next video where we'll be learning something new. Cheers.